Hello everyone, welcome to Team Developers channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to fix computer display full screen problem in Windows 10. So before starting video, if you're new to this channel then hit subscribe button, and without wasting time let's start a video. So first of all, go to start menu and open display settings. And in display settings, just change your screen resolution according to your LCD size. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button, and also don't forget to subscribe Team Developers channel. Thank you for watching.